Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mobile Canada's YouTube channel. Today's video is about my JBL Partybox 310 and my BOSE Companion 5. So why am I going to do this video for my JBL Partybox 310? Well, I'm really enjoying having this. I brought this in my truck. I use this as my subwoofer, but not really a subwoofer, but it's really giving a bass, and combined with my BOSE Companion 5, it's a computer speaker. I brought it here in my truck. This is a commercial truck, you know guys, I'm a truck driver and I'm a long haul driver, so I'm always away. It takes 2.5 days for me to get back home, so for me to enjoy driving, I play music with a very nice quality sound. So I'm going to demonstrate to you this JBL Partybox 310 combined with this BOSE Companion 5. You are going to be amazed on how this sounds performed together with the BOSE Companion 5. Without this BOSE Companion 5, you will see the difference. I am going to demonstrate to you the sound, and I'm going to play the YouTube no copyright music, so it's more on the instrumental music. Hear the difference and you will see why I combined my JBL Partybox 310 with BOSE Companion 5. So anyway guys, let me show you. This is where I place my JBL 310. Underneath my bed, there's a space there. That's my bed. And then I put my speaker here with a double adhesive tape. That's my BOSE Companion 5. That's on the right side, and this is on the left side, the driver's side. That's a 5.1 channel. And then the subwoofer on my BOSE Companion 5 is right behind that JBL 310. And then this is the controller of my BOSE Companion 5. I put it here. So if you wanna listen to the music, you can just tap it, and this is the volume. So anyway, I have this auxiliary, the 3.5 millimeter. I did not connect it with Bluetooth directly to the JBL 310. I use this splitter. This is for this Bluetooth, so that when I connect it to the phone, it's wireless, still wireless, but I plug it here going to the BOSE Companion 5. And then this one, the splitter auxiliary, this goes to JBL Partybox 310. I did not also connect that to Bluetooth. This is connected to auxiliary so that I can combine the music. I did not use the candy chain from JBL 310 because it's not gonna, the JBL 310 will control the sound on my BOSE Companion 5. I want it to be not controlled by JBL 310. I want it to be controlled by me here. So let me demonstrate to you the sound. So that's purely with the JBL 310. So if I'm going to turn on my BOSE Companion 5, hear the difference. So that's my BOSE Companion 5. There. BOSE Companion 5, just the JBL 310. I'm gonna turn off the Companion 5. That's what you're going to hear if you're only playing with JBL 310. But if you are going to turn on the BOSE Companion 5, this will be the sound. So that's purely JBL Partybox 310. So I'm going to turn on the BOSE Companion 5. Hear the difference. That's without BOSE Companion 5. So big difference. If I turn on the BOSE Companion 5, that's the difference. Big difference. It gets better. So guys, what do you think? In a commercial truck, you use the JBL Partybox 310. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are amazed with how the sound performs with the JBL Partybox 310 together with the BOSE Companion 5. I am blown away with the sound, how it performed inside the truck. But I just want to remind you guys, as a commercial truck driver, I don't really play that loud when driving. Sometimes you do, sometimes, but most of the time I don't, because when you're driving, you have to listen around you. You have to listen to the engine, how it performs, or the tires. If something happened, at least you still know. But when I'm parked in the roadside turnout or in a rest area when I'm resting, so that's where I play that loud. But anyway guys, I never seen the video yet using the JBL Partybox 310 inside the commercial truck. Well, this is how it performs. This is the sound. I like it, I enjoy it, and it's really good. Together with the BOSE Companion 5 JBL Partybox 310, perfect combination. Anyway guys, this LED light effects here, it looks nice as well, right? But in reality, when I'm driving, especially at night, I don't turn it on. It's going to distract me with the light going to reflect to the windshield at night. It's just the plain music. Always remember, be safe on the road, drive safely, okay? So guys, please subscribe on this channel. I hope you like this video and hit the like button and hit the notification bell so that you are always going to be notified every time we upload our latest video. Thank you guys, have a great day.